Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a seamless loop video with Openart AI. A seamless loop is perfect for social media backgrounds, music visuals, animated posts, website headers, short ads, or any clip you want to repeat smoothly without looking like it suddenly starts over. Start by heading to the Openart website. From the homepage, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Video. This takes you into the suite of video tools designed for generating animations from simple inputs. The interface is clean, so don't worry if you're new. Everything we need is right here. This section is where you'll control the basic direction of your video, including the type of generation, motion style, model, sound, and final output settings. Next, choose the option labeled Text with Reference. This mode turns a written prompt into motion while keeping the subject consistent frame to frame, which is exactly what we want for a loop. Consistency is key. The fewer unexpected changes between frames, the cleaner your loop will feel when it restarts. For looping videos, stable lighting, steady movement, and simple motion usually work better than scenes with too many fast changes. Now pick a model. Each model has its own strengths for looping scenes. Select one known for smooth, stable motion and cohesive lighting. If you're unsure, start with a general-purpose model. And remember, you can come back and try alternatives later for a different look or feel. For example, one model may be better for realistic city scenes, while another may create more stylized, dreamy, or cinematic results. In the prompt field, type "endless neon rain falling in cyberpunk city, smooth, cinematic motion, seamless loop, atmospheric lighting." Prompts like this work well because they combine subject, motion, and mood. Including a phrase such as "seamless loop" tells the engine to pay special attention to the transition point. You can add small clarifiers. For example, emphasizing atmospheric lighting helps reduce harsh flickers that could break the loop, but keep it concise. The goal is to guide the system without overloading it. You can also include words like slow camera movement, steady rain, glowing reflections, or continuous motion if you want the animation to feel smoother and more intentional. Move to the sound effects section. Decide whether you want ambient audio. A subtle rain texture can enhance immersion, but if you plan to add your own soundtrack later, keep it muted here to avoid conflicts. This is useful if you're editing the loop into a larger video, using it behind text, or adding music in another editing app. Set the mode based on your priorities. A faster mode is great for previews and quick iteration. If you're aiming for a final, polished output, a higher quality mode can deliver more stable frames and cleaner motion, which often translates to a smoother loop. A good workflow is to test your idea quickly first, then switch to a better quality setting once the prompt and style feel right. Configure the output. Choose the resolution and aspect ratio that fit your destination, like square for feeds or vertical for stories. Shorter durations often loop more cleanly and feel more natural. Aim for a few seconds so the motion reads clearly without obvious starts or stops. Keep the frame rate consistent with where you'll share it to avoid jitter. For example, use vertical format for Reels, TikTok, and Shorts, square format for feed posts, and widescreen if you're creating a YouTube background or cinematic scene. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will render your video. Once it's ready, play it a few times to confirm the transition feels invisible. If you notice a small hitch, minor prompt tweaks, or a different model can smooth it out. Watch for flickering lights, sudden object changes, jumpy camera movement, or a clear break between the last and first frame, because those are the main things that can make a loop feel less seamless. And that's it. Your seamless loop video is ready. You can now use it as a background animation, social media clip, visualizer, intro scene, or creative looping video for your next project.